Hey guys, welcome to our next science experiment. You saw that there were a couple options for science experiments plus a craft. This is one of the options, and going along with our ocean unit, we are going to make waves in a bottle. Or a jar. So I'm using this empty pickle jar. It is freshly washed. You can see the water droplets inside. The important thing is you have to have a lid. Then you're also going to need a little vegetable oil, some blue food coloring, and this is important so that we can see the ocean. And then you'll need water. I'm going to add some of this pearl dust to make it a little bit sparkly. Alright, so the first step is to fill your jar about 2/3 of the way with water. So here's my jar. I filled it up about 2/3 with water, a little bit more than halfway. And now I'm going to add a couple drops of blue food coloring until it looks like the ocean water. Okay, I'm going to swirl that around. I think I'm going to add one more drop. And this time I will put the lid on it and swirl it around a little bit. I'm excited to use the empty pickle jar because I think I'm going to like that green lid with the blue water. Okay. There we go, a little bit darker. So next I'm going to add some of the pearl dust. If you have a little glitter you wanted to put in here, you could. If you have seashells, that could be cool to add into the bottom. I wish I'd brought some home with me because I have some at school. Okay, just a little bit of this glitter. It's kind of hard to see, but it'll give it a nice shimmer. Make it look really pretty. And I'm gonna put the lid on, swirl that around a little bit. And you can sort of see it shining around in there. Perfect. And then the last step is to fill the jar the rest of the way with vegetable oil. And you might notice the vegetable oil bubbles up to the top. So I'm going to stop. So once you have filled it the rest of the way with vegetable oil, you put the lid on very, very tightly. As tight as you can get it because we do not want any spills. Vegetable oil, if it spills, can get everywhere. And now, notice how the vegetable oil is, go get it. So you'll notice that the vegetable oil is sitting on top of the water, and that's because vegetable oil and water don't mix. This is very similar to our blobs in the bottle experiment. That's why we use the vegetable oil and the water, and the Alka-Seltzer tablet made the vegetable oil bubble up or down. In this experiment, we've made the ocean because we can see when we move the bottle from side to side, we can see the movement of waves by looking at that vegetable oil. And there is our ocean in a bottle. Alright guys, I can't wait to see these if you decide to do it on Flipgrid. Make sure to send me your videos. Dexter says goodbye.